Hello, my friends. After the significant iOS 26 update, we will thoroughly learn how to effectively revert to the traditional familiar screenshot mode on your iPhone device. So let's proceed directly to the default settings application that is readily available on all Apple iPhones. We will then open it as we usually do. After that, scroll down a little bit and look for the option clearly labeled General. Oh? If your phone is set to another language, remember the visual icons and the specific locations you'll be navigating to. Tap on this section, then scroll down a bit more and look for the option distinctly labeled Screen Capture and then tap on it. So please, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. Now you simply need to disable the option that is clearly shown in front of you. I see. This refers to the full screen previews. Now let's proceed to take a screenshot. As you can clearly see, this is indeed the standard and typical screenshot mode that is commonly used and widely recognized. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains a collection of highly informative iPhone tutorials where you'll certainly find many important guides that you will truly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.